What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with FullThrottle Obsessions. It's been quite a while since I posted a video, so I figured we'd do a little video on what I've been up to. Today we're cleaning some inflatables. We got our half of our 50-foot tropical rush, and we got our blue and yellow. You see, we just kind of soaped this one down. I got to go back and respray it. We had a whole bunch of leaves and dirt and grime. Got quite dirty this past weekend. And we got blue and yellow. I haven't sprayed this one down yet, but this one is next on the chopping block here. This one's actually not too bad. I'll go ahead and show you guys the garage here. We got some inflatables waiting to be cleaned. We got the pirate ship, Castle Kingdom, and the 20-foot wave runner. We also got some lined up in the enclosure. The enclosure is an organized mess. It's cleaning day. We got to clean these chairs, go over the tables, some of the mats for the swimming pools. I had to organize some sandbags, some tarps, and there's other inflatables. We got the other part of the 50-foot rush, purple dolphin, and I believe that's crayon castle. Those are all gonna have to get cleaned. We got some tables back there as well as the toddler bouncers. So we got a pretty full day of just organizing and cleaning. The cleaning's gonna drag until tomorrow because we got a lot of tables and chairs to get done, and also a lot of bouncers. It's definitely been one of the big reasons why we haven't been doing so many videos lately. But if you like this kind of content, just let me know. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.